Ah, Julu, nice to meet you. Nice to see you again.
You're basically from Bangkok. Yeah, pretty much. Motherfucker bro, right?
No.
Shoes off.
What's up, does he want that right now?
What's up?
With a laughing little girl that he was swinging.
Where is the man water tonight? Every night we have the man water, but not tonight. What's the man water? Give me some marijuana tonight.
Oh yeah! My love just kicking inside and grows. So I'm gonna kick it up the mic. You know I stand spinning in my raps and I'm chill for real. It's hip hop sounds and I'm making a deal. Curing me to the sound label so fly. Rhythm, this is how we gonna go. Just stepping in, you feel like it in a state. I'm smoking today. This is how we gonna do it. Just love and space.
I said 10 to 1.
10
to 1.
I'm gonna come in that with up control. Control. Talk about control. Just
Very good, man.
Love,
Very good.
reggae combination. Oh, people that love family. Yeah, love family. Woo! Love family.
Lemmisyon. Lemmisyon. Ne komiksin Lemmy? Bildiğiniz gibi Lemmy şu an Asya turnesinde. Kendisi Asya'yı bisikletle kat ederken ben de elimden geldiğince ona yardımcı olmaya çalışıyorum. Bu gezisinde onun gözü gibi olmaya çalışıyorum adeta. Ve siz değerli journalistalara da buradan bu mesajları iletmek benim adeta bir görevim. Şimdi Lemmy ile ufak bir röportaj yapacağız. Kendisine soracağız neler hissediyorsun, ne oldu yani, nedir bu seyahat? Hep beraber Lemmy'yi izliyoruz şimdi. Ona soracağımız sorulara bakalım ne cevap verecek. Annem pele undis kanti. Lemmy. Skripin kan.
this, don't even have to write it down, cause I'm just freestyling. You know how it is, man. Actually, me styling, cause it's self-expression. You know how it is, man. Life is just a lesson, hope you learn it. And if you don't, you burn it. You know how it is, man. It's higher learning and higher earning and higher burning. And the herbs that I'm, whatever. Listen, I'm that Goku flow, Vegeta, that's anime. From like way back in the day, 12 years old. Didn't know that this was path of my road. You know how it is, man. I'm just chilling. You know how it is, man. Cooling like a villain. My dude over there, man, I guess he feeling everything that I'm kicking, spilling straight from the heart, man. Straight from the start, man. I've been here from the get-go. You know how it is on the wall like a gecko. Just watching the flipping flows, watching how it go. I'm just watching the motion, then I flip and disappear like I'm flipping ghosts. You know how it is, man. I don't even eat cereal. You know how it is, man. I'm killing like a cereal. And she's outside, man, knocking up the bottles. But I'm over here kicking full throttle. You know how it is, man. I'm not a model, but I'm just like the model citizen, the model soldier. Know how it is, man. Don't say don't told you. Never told you. I'm a flipping squad, man. Full of goons. You know how it is, man. Rocking like platoons. Yeah, we are just some goons. I don't know, man. Sorta hot, my mind. You know how it is, man. You can't doubt my rhymes like doubt fire. Can't doubt fire. You know how it is. I keep it rolling like a round tire, man. Never ask fire, press fire, never sweating. You know how it is, man. I just wreck it. And every time I come through, I'm always first and never ever second. But you know how it is. You can't.
I said I woke up this morning, I didn't know where I was.
I want to do a fucked up rhythm. I want to see if I can do it.
Tripod oluşun maceraları.
So, like you have witnessed, Lemmy told us his plans and how he feels like about this travel. We will be keeping you guys updated on the next interviews. Thank you. Lemmy, izleyicilerimize veda etmeyecek misin?